Here it's very interesting. The number of collector coins that Ben and Carl had were in the ratio of 5 to 3 respectively. Okay, let's just represent this part of the statement. It says, the number of coins of Ben is to the number of coins of Carl as 5k is to 3k. After Ben gave Carl 10 of his coins, that means Ben's coins decreased in 10. And if Carl received the coins, so he added 10 to his own. And the ratio of the number of coins that Ben had, 5k minus 10, to the number of coins that Carl had, 3k plus 10, was 7 to 5. This is a new proportion, right? And as a result of this gift, Ben had how many more coins than Carl? Okay, as a result of this gift is actually the new quantities of coins, that is 5k minus 10, take away 3k plus 10. Let's find the value of k. Cross product here. 25k minus 50 equals 21k plus 70. So 4k equals 120, k is 3. Okay, here now, I calculate this difference. It is 2k minus 20. So that is 60 minus 20, and that is 40, the answer.